So I got asked the question, why do I do How To Automotive? And the biggest reason why I would say I do How To Automotive is to give back. And I know it sounds kind of corny or cheesy, but really this automotive industry has been my entire life. That's all I know is automotive. And I'm at the point in my life where I've gained enough experience and I've done enough in it where I can give back. And so in the first half of your automotive career or whatever you're kind of taking, you're absorbing everything in. Now I'm at a spot where I can give back. I can teach you guys little things. I can help make you more organized. I can save you time. I can save you money. So that's what I focus on when I do How To Automotive. I'm trying to teach you how to fix your car. I'm going to help you save some money with the tool purchases. I'm going to help you be more organized and be more efficient and just be a better automotive technician, a better DIY, all around. So that's kind of what How To Automotive is about, and that's kind of how it was born. It was just me really wanting to give back to you guys. And it's been a great career for me, and I'm so thankful to have chosen the automotive industry. And now I get to give back, and it's nothing like there's nothing like giving back. It feels good, it's awesome. And I'd like to thank you guys for being a part of this journey, and thank you guys for watching How To Automotive and all the support. Thank you, thank you, thank you.